regular. Welcome back, my babe. Thank you so much for coming. Yo, I'm using my dad's car. Yo. Like whenever I've got a period. Asha, but I like it. I like the outfit. Good morning, my loves. Welcome to yet another vlog. If this is your very first time here, my name is Retabile, but I am known as Retabs, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and click the bell button to be notified every time when I upload a new video. And if you are returning regular, welcome back, my babe. Thank you so much for coming back. Today it is Monday, is the new day of our vlog. I am still home, so currently I'm thinking of doing something to eat for myself. It will be my first meal of the day, but at this moment it's 2:10, so it's still the right time to make myself breakfast. So I'm also thinking of baking scones here at home. I can see that bantite dirama, so margarine, so I'm thinking of baking, but they took out 2 margarines, so I'm thinking of just using 1 because arba banchi, like 2 is like when you are baking for maybe, is it 10 kg bucket? Yeah, I think I'm not an expert here baking, but I think 2 margarines, it's when you make at least 10 kg bucket, 10 liter, not kg, 10 liter. Yes, yeah, bucket. Yeah, these scones. So yeah, I'm going to bake scones. So yeah, that's basically it. So I guess you and I will catch up on the next vlog. Let's start our week. Bye. I'm using my dad's car. Yo, 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 why this car? Yo, my mom is not yet back, so last time I waited for my mom, I nearly missed the transport. So today I'm like, since well now it's 2 and my mom knocked off at 2:30. I'm like, let me go and fetch her now using my dad's car. I'm not even sure if you guys are able to hear me, because like, this car, and I hate using it because of the noise and stuff. It's not even comfortable. It's not even comfortable, this one, compared to my mom's car. Sorry, but the truth is the truth. Okay, we'll talk later, guys. Bye. Good morning, my loves. Welcome to yet another day in the vlog. Today it is Thursday. Yesterday and Tuesday I couldn't vlog because I didn't feel like vlogging. So today I'm in Pretoria. I came back yesterday. So yeah, I just came back from a client. So I am currently using my hand to vlog, and I forgot my tripod at home. Can you believe it? Like, I forgot it, and I'm going to get it on the 31st of October because that's when I'll be going back home. But it's okay. I think I will just manage, but I must get another tripod because now it's the second time I forget the tripod somewhere. So yeah, I just hope you guys are still doing good. I just hope lisali sharp, lisali happy, you're still enjoying the vlog, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, and click the bell button to be notified every time when I upload a new video. So I just finished preparing my client's wig. I washed it and then I get straightener and hot combing it, so it's ready for collection. So she said she will collect it around 12, so I will be waiting for her. So I'll also be working from home today. Oh god, I'm so tired right now. I'm also going to be working from home today. So yeah, I only had a house call only in the morning. So yeah, that's basically it. So now I'm just going to relax, wait for my client to come and collect her wig. Then the other client will be coming at 5 p.m. Then that's basically it for me. For now, it's for me to relax and yeah, just watch TV. I guess we'll catch up on the next clip. Bye. I'm trying on this shirt. I'm loving it. I just hope it will look nice with the trouser that I want to wear it with, and some accessories. Don't mind my nails. I'm going to do my nails, so this is the one that is fitting me, so I'm going to buy a green trouser for this. So I just hope I will look nice, I will look grown. I'm going on a date, like I said. So yeah, I'm taking this one. So I will show you when I also wear the trouser. I'm currently at Mr. Price, so I'm going to legit to buy the trouser. This is my outfit, but the trousers are way too long. I just hope my belly is so out, but I like it. I like the outfit. I'll just see on how I work on this belly. I must do something about it. And yeah, I like it. So let me find something to hold this belly because I can't go like this. Do I like it? Good morning, my loves. Welcome to yet another day in the vlog. I know I haven't seen you guys that much. Yesterday I went shopping and I was just talking to you inside of a fitting room. I'm not even sure that you were able to hear me because I was whispering since, well, there were other people inside the fitting room. So next thing I go to is this lady mad or what? So I still don't have a tripod. I'm using my hands to vlog at this current moment. So right now I'm going to my 1:30 p.m. appointment, which is in Hatfield. So today is very gloomy. It's raining basically. I'm not happy with this weather, and tomorrow I'm supposed to go on a date. So with this kind of weather, I'm not sure how it's going to, how am I going to work around that, because like I don't know, but I feel like as long as it's not raining that much, it wouldn't be that much of a problem. But I'll just see tomorrow. So I guess I will just talk to you guys later, because my hand now it's hurting so much. I should get a new tripod because I can't live like this, and I need to vlog like for real, 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 real. So I just hope you guys are still doing good. So we'll catch up on the next clip. Bye. Hi guys, I'm currently in Hatfield and waiting for my ride to get here. It's rainy, but not that rainy. It's just gloomy for me. As you can see, it's just few raindrops. So yeah, I'm waiting for my ride. It says 4 minutes away. So yeah, I'm still on time. It's currently quarter past it's currently 1:15, so I'm left with 15 minutes, and to get there it's just 3 minutes. So yeah, I'll be on time. Good morning, my loves. Welcome to another day of this vlog. I came here to end the vlog. Today it is Monday, so yesterday I could not go on a date because of the weather. The weather here it's very, very, very bad. Even today it's very bad. It's raining. Yeah, it's bad. So I'm going to stay in bed today. I won't be vlogging for the next vlog as well. I must start vlogging tomorrow. And another thing that is so boring me is that I do not have a steady tripod or a tripod right now to vlog. So I'm able to do a lot of things, so I'm just using my hands, and which is not working for me. Yeah, so I just wanted to say I hope that you have enjoyed your my vlog, and as much as I'm enjoying creating this vlog for you guys. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, and click the bell button to be notified every time when I upload a new video. So I guess we'll catch up on the next vlog. Bye.